Hello again and welcome to another video used car review, and today we're looking at this lovely little Kia Picanto 5-door model finished in a white with alloy wheels. Very low mileage car, this one. Lady owner, less than 4,000 miles. It's got the genuine rubber mats, all nice and clean inside. Plenty of room in the back. It's got the remainder of the Kia 7-year warranty on this one as well. Nice deep boot. And in the bottom there is a space saver spare wheel with the jack and toolkit and the all important fucking wheel nut tool in that box there. So everything you need. That's an option. The spare wheel is an option on these, so that's always nice to have. All tidy bodywork, no damage. Will come with a new MOT. Front and rear electric windows, central door locking, electric door mirrors, 2 keys. Let's just have a start up. There you go, just short of 4,000 miles. So, super low mileage car. It's got the radio media player with the USB or auxiliary input sockets for that there. 12-volt socket there. It's got the air conditioning. That's all blowing nice and cold. 5-speed manual gearbox. Conventional handbrake. It's got the book pack with it, with all the service history, all there. Steering wheel mounted controls for the radio and Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone. Leather rimmed steering wheel, so you got nice grip on that. So there you go. Look, if you're looking for a very reliable, super low mileage, economical little car. There you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.